Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on Monday, Jabu thinks he has debt on the Dlaminis but finds himself distracted. With a new look, Vuma's crush puts a spring in his step. Velepi posts something that triggers Sipho. On Tuesday, Peteni readies for her big ball, while Sibongile stumbles upon very incriminating information. Velepi publicly breaks Vuma's heart with her confession. On Wednesday, Sibongile is caught between a rock and hard place when Jabu reveals his plan to destroy the Dlaminis. Samke finds herself falling for Vuma. Qiniso'S house of lies gets shattered. Thank you for watching.